Hello students, myself Babita Sharma, a member of SURAJ Group of Education. Today we will discuss about the topic sentence. A sentence has two main parts. The first one is subject. The second one is predicate. Subject and predicate. Look at the example. The boys are running fast. The boys are running fast. To whom we are talking about? The boys. This one is subject. And what we are talking about? Are running fast. This one is predicate. Subject tell us about the noun or the pronoun. And the predicate tell us what the noun or pronoun is or are doing. Another example. We are watching a movie. For whom we are talking about? We. This one is subject. Are watching a movie. This one is predicate. This one is predicate. Now, in this video, we will discuss about imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentences shows order, suggestions, advice, and many more. Look at this example. Come here. Pick up your books. Wash your hands. Go there. Look at these examples. There is no subject. These all are predicate. Predicate. Mostly the part of a subject, that one is predicate, starts from verb. Starts from verb. Look at these examples. There is no subject. But these commands or these requests or these advice are given to somebody. Given to somebody. That one is you. Whether it is a plural or a singular. This is invisible. This is invisible subject. If we told student that just tell what is subject and there is no particular subject, he, she, it, they, Ram, Shyam or any other, then we have to tell that you is the subject in these sentences. You is the subject in these sentences. You pick up your books. You wash your hands. You go there. It means we are talking to somebody. There is somebody to whom we are giving command, request or advice to wash their hands and other things. So these are you. You is the invisible subject in this imperative sentences. Look some more examples. Collect the books. Or shut the door. Raise your hands. call the doctor. These are some of the examples of imperative sentences. Collect the books. You are talking to somebody to collect the books. You collect the books. Shut the door. You are talking to somebody to shut the door. You shut the door. Raise your hands. You are talking to somebody to raise his or her hand. You raise your hand. You are talking to somebody to eat this pizza. You eat this pizza. You are advised to somebody to call the doctor. You call the doctor. These are some examples of imperative sentences. These is invisible, and when anybody told us to tell what is the subject of this in this sentence, then we will tell then you is the subject of this in these sentences. So I thought you all understand this. Thank you. Have a nice